What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Lou, aka Fuck Scat. I'm coming at you guys with another video, man. And today, I finally got my intake, man. But before we get into that, I just want to thank you all for everybody that put support on the last video. Man, the last video had like 600 views with like 40 plus likes. And that was just me like introducing my car and all the cosmetic mods that I have now. So I just want to say thank you to everybody that supported that video. And if you drop a like, comment, subscribe, or whatever, or follow the Instagram, or follow the TikTok, or subscribe to the YouTube, I just want to say thank you, man. But today we do got the intake. Now, guys, let me give a little information on this intake. I don't understand it. I'm gonna be honest. I just took my boy word for it, who literally has a Hellcat. So when I was asking about the intakes, he was like, do you want one just for like sound, or you want like for horsepower, performance wise? I said a little bit of both. And then obviously he asked me what my budget was. I was like, shit, it just depends on like what the fuck you give me. And we end up coming across the AFE Magnum carbon fiber stage 2 track series Dodge Charger V8 intake. Now, the only thing that I really just looked into, that it gave me plus 21 horsepower, which I don't know exactly how it worked, how it sounds, or whatever. And forgive me, guys, I just got off work if I do look a little tired. So, and I've been up since 3 o'clock in the morning. I literally just got off. It's like 5:30 right now. Y'all know how this army shit get. Fucking military. But yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys hear my car, how it sounds without the intake versus with the intake. So let's get into this video, man. And make sure if you new, make sure you subscribe, man. On our way to 200 subscribers, make sure you drop a like. Saying, man, since we got like 40 plus likes, let's shoot for 60 on this video. Make sure you guys drop a comment. Make sure you follow the Instagram and the TikTok right here. And let's get into it, man. All right, guys, I had to put the glasses on, but man, I just got here. I'm waiting on my partner to come out with the intake right now. I ain't gonna lie, I got dark as hell out here too. But let's see if we can. I got my keys in my pocket. Yeah. That boy got a Hellcat. Nah, we really murdered out. Hellcat and Scat Pack. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's so dark. I might have to literally, yeah, I'm about to turn my car around so we can get some light. Let's turn the car around, cause that shit not gonna work. Damn, key fob always dying. My damn tent so dark, bro. Sometimes I can't even see, and that is a problem. I need to go get gas. It'll wait till after this, though. Still gotta go to my partner crib, get my packages. All right. Let's pop it now. I go back to 1. They look quiet. And I just got a engine clean, or under the hood clean, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that bit pressure. Peep the Hellcat though. Y'all follow my boy Instagram, man. All right, guys, so just got everything, got the damn box, the package, and whatever. I ain't gonna lie, it come in a big ass box. It's actually seat. Right down. Gotta get a little thumbnail. It come with so much shit. Half this shit I don't even understand. This the carbon fiber right here. All these parts. Damn manual, which we most likely probably use. Yeah. Had to get the tools out.
I'm bone sockets on the transmission.
Well,
maybe we'll see. I'll see what Holiday Blockwood does.
I'm trying to see what the fuck Nelly car for be like. He don't even.
You barely gonna be making Hellcat power. No, he won't. I don't know why he decided.
He keeps saying he don't know how much horsepower he fucking
Not
is
only
gonna
that,
have. He said between 700 and 900. I said, God damn.
but not only that, fucking one of his pistons is making like he's dumped so much money into that. Like if I dump the exact same amount of money into this, I'm cooking. Nasty ass airplane.
That shit look like it can't even breathe.
It can't. They're like, well, the stock airbox isn't that bad. Bullshit. Bull fucking shit.
They fuck that engine fall out that bitch.
I
I'm
see
gonna
it.
put a new one in. I'm telling you.
What is it? I seen
Shit, yeah.
After that, I'm done, bro. Like,
My mom asked me what I was gonna do after the Hellcat. I was like, well, I'll probably keep the Hellcat and get a truck.
that's what I'm planning on.
There ain't
doing.
no other fucking car I want.
It's
I
nice.
got my dream car. I don't need a fucking other one. I don't need another fucking expensive ass
Nigga,
fucking
I can
Ford.
do whatever I want with this because this shit paid off.
Shit, I got one of my dream cars. And it's a bit older.
I want to build a fucking old school though.
That takes money.
Yeah. Be like a project or something, but
I seen this one listing on Facebook. I think it was like for 64, 65 and 12.
shit. That's a whole nother rack on what the fuck I'm making.
Exactly.
I'm making 1100 every 2 weeks.
After that, after the pay increase, it'll be like
I hope that bitch
16. It'll be like 1650 pay.
I need it. Trust me, I fucking need it.
Oh yeah, I don't pay that much, anyways.
I need that increase to solve a lot of problems.
Just getting the sleep study done off of just like 15.
Yeah. My bro, he got 50% just off my greens. I said, God damn. At first it was 30%. I was like, he was like, bro. He was like, he went there like 5 times for his head, and he said he just complained about his ACH being too heavy and giving him headaches. He got 50%. I said, God damn. I said, I'm finna start taking my ass for my granddad. My head hurt.
I'm getting an MRI for my knees and my lower back.
But I done had so much therapy treatments for my back, it's ridiculous. I got like 10 pages on my back from lower to middle to upper, all different parts of the back. Like, that's all I asked for, bro. The military has made me mad my entire fucking time. All I asked for is 100%. Y'all can have the free college. Y'all can have everything y'all fucking want. Just give me a fucking 100%, please. Do not let me go to that shit. Y'all be like, it's not service related, bitch. Yes, it is, cause I got all this shit. Oh
Shit,
yeah.
I'm definitely using that VA homeowner to buy some land. As his realtor's
He over there. Look at Reed. His ass leaving work.
My uncle has his realtor's license.
His realtor?
Yeah. Like, I think they're sitting on like 80 acres right now.
Damn.
And they're about to sell like 50, 60 acres right now. Just chill.
See, in Houston, I got 5 acres. But that's my mother. My mom, she been in the Navy for 17 years. My mom owned 4 houses. And that's another person who's trying to get me into this shit. But it's like, it's not even just about, the military has been working my ass the last 2 years and a half, bro. And it's just like, I just don't want to do shit, bro. Like, I just want to just, my staff sergeant, nobody hitting me up. What's this? No, don't ask me shit, bro. For 3 weeks, bro. I need to enjoy this shit.
3 weeks?
Hey, well, I'm in my use or lose. I ain't been home in 2 years. I got 72 fucking days. They were like, no, you gotta take leave. I was like, I will, as long as y'all leave me the fuck alone. Yeah, I can't wait. Like, Glocks out there, you can get them for like $400 or $500.
That must be fucking nice.
So I'm like, look at.
Full price for my shit.
I'm looking at trying to get a Gen 3 Glock 17. I'm gonna go out there, check out a few of the gun shows. Had to get the fucking dates and shit. And I just got that under the hood. Got an engine bay clean. Everybody race on this fucking post at night.
Fucking dumbasses, man.
Dude, I don't go over
Division commanders already made a couple of remarks about that shit.
I don't go over 20 miles per hour on this damn post. I'm not getting no fucking ticket for no MP. If I get a ticket, it would not be from speeding. I'll be down. But then again, my fucking radar literally goes off with the MP. If they fucking using their gun, their radar gun. If any lasers, that shit picking it up, especially when I go over that damn bridge right by East Bliss. That shit give it a whole better look. Brady, you don't need none of this shit?
So?
You don't need none of this shit?
Nah, you can throw all that shit away.
Even this?
Actually, there was a little bag. Had a bunch of fucking
stickers and shit?
Yeah.
Put it right there. It's in the car.
Oh, okay.
You don't need this shit either?
to start.
Yeah. Let me see
Gotta
this.
make sure it doesn't throw any codes.
You know what that means, boy? Okay.
Just make sure.
That shit sound way better now. Yeah, you did that one, bro. Thank you, bro. Yeah, you did that one, man. All right, y'all. As you can see, man, my boy Braden, aka Tomcat, he did install the intake, and it took a little minute, but he got it. So thank him for that. Ain't gonna lie, that shit sounds so good as y'all can hear in the video, but that's gonna be all for this video. Like I said, make sure y'all drop a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And yeah, man, that's the end of the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.